Coach, may pag-asa pa ba lumaki ang aking hips or ang aking balakang? Problema ko ang aking hip dips, paano ko ba ito may enhance? Ang hip is a bone structure so we can't do anything about it. But ang good news, there are certain exercises na pwede niyong gawin para ma-enhance ang appearance ng inyong hips. At syempre, samahan ng healthy balanced diet at siguraduhin kumain ng enough protein. So for today's video, share ko sa inyo ang ilang exercises na pwede niyong gawin para ma-enhance ang appearance ng ating hips. Kung meron kayong hip band, pwede kayong gumamit ng hip band. Kung wala naman, okay lang. Pwede niyong gawin to ng body weight lang. But for more tension, mas maganda kung meron kayong hip band. So, on the floor, on our sides, gagawin natin ang ating clamshell. So, i-bend ang inyong knees. And then, stretch out ang hip band. Siguraduhin na ang leg sa ilalim ay hindi umaangat. Core tight. 1, 2, 3. Stretch out ang hip band. 4, 5. Gawin nyo to ng 15 repetitions without switching leg. Tapusin nyo muna to ng 3 sets sa isang side. Then, tsaka kayo mag-switch sa other leg. And for our next exercise, stretch out ang leg. Turn down your toes. And then, lift your leg up. Stretch out. Go down. Huwag nang bababa or i-rest ang paa sa floor. 2, 3, 4, 5. Gawin nyo rin to ng 15 to 20 repetitions. Or kung natapos nyo yung 15 at di kayo nahihirapan, idiretso nyo lang hanggang ma-feel nyo yung burn. And then, after failure, then stop. Ulitin nyo lang ng 3 sets. And for our third exercise, so same position. This time naman, itaas nyo yung ibabaw na leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stretch out ang hip band. 5, 6. Again, ulitin nyo to ng 15 to 20 reps. So, kung 20 repetitions, hindi nyo pa na-feel yung burn, then ituloy nyo lang up to failure hanggang hindi nyo na kaya. Ulitin nyo ng 3 beses. And then, after that, tsaka kayo mag-switch ng leg. Do this 2 to 3 times a week. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Coach Shelby. I'll see you in my next one.